Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView charts. We will begin by navigating the user interface, which is designed for intuitive access to market data. You can quickly search for any asset, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, using the search bar at the top. Understanding the basic layout and how to select your desired asset is your first crucial step to unlocking powerful analytical capabilities for your trading journey. Now, let's dive into customizing your chart. TradingView offers more than 12 distinct chart types, such as popular candlesticks or hollow candles, allowing you to visualize price action effectively. You can easily switch timeframes from a quick 1-minute view to a comprehensive 1-month perspective. Furthermore, a robust set of drawing tools, including trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, helps you mark key levels and patterns directly on your chart. Next, we'll explore the power of technical indicators. TradingView boasts hundreds of built-in indicators, from moving averages to the relative strength index, which you can add with just a few clicks. Combining 2 or 3 indicators can provide stronger confirmation for your trading decisions. Additionally, setting price alerts is simple. You can receive notifications when an asset reaches a specific price level, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event. Finally, let's talk about saving and sharing your hard work. TradingView allows you to save multiple chart layouts and templates, ensuring your preferred settings are always ready. You can also share your analysis directly with the vibrant TradingView community, receiving feedback and engaging with other traders. Exploring thousands of published ideas from experienced users can offer fresh perspectives and enhance your own analytical approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.